In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can enable dark mode on Google Docs on mobile. So recently, Google Docs did an update where you can now enable dark mode on Google Docs without having to enable your whole phone in dark mode. So it's pretty cool, and all you need to do is launch up Google Docs. And as you can see, I have the light theme currently. So if I tap on those three horizontal stripes at the top left, and then I tap on settings, it now says theme, and you can choose your theme. By tapping on that, you can choose dark, and the whole Google Docs will be in dark mode. I can go back and you can see now Google Docs is in dark mode. And if you're running an older version of an operating system on your phone and you're not able to enable dark mode system wide, you'll be able to enable dark mode just on Google Docs. So that's pretty cool. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.